There's a few fiddly bits there.
And if you haven't done them before, you'll be there for half a day first.
Yeah, well that's like me. I hardly ever do stuff like this, but I'm glad you've taken the time to show me this, Anthony. It's
Oh look, Shane's not here, none of the management's here, so I'm not taking business away from Garrett's.
No.
So I'm happy enough. To me it doesn't matter.
Yeah, well, I'm sure there'll be a lot of blokes like me that couldn't be bothered doing this, and or the time's too precious. And you guys provide a really good service, so I've been happy with it.
Since the moment I started here, I've always said to all my customers, I'll look at the piece of equipment that comes in, I'll give it a quick appraisal.
Yep.
If it looks like it's going to cost too much in parts and labour to fix it compared to a new price, I'll give you that option first. And that way it's up to you guys as to which way you want to go.
Yep. Oh, that's how good business works.
If you can just hang on to that for a second for me.
Yeah, no one likes to be taken for a ride, and if you're honest with people, it's
Shane,
a long way.
Shane actually said to me a couple of weeks ago, he says, I don't know how you do it. He says, all the customers love you.
Yeah.
And I said, well, sorry mate, but I try and look after them. But at the end of the day, if you're genuine and you do the right thing, you're going to get more back.
Yeah, that's right.
Than trying to
It's a
shaft
boomerang.
someone.
Yeah, that's the way we work as well in our company. It's you can take shortcuts and make a quick buck, but in the long run, people will remember it or things like that, and they don't use you again. Whereas if you go out of your way to help people, well, they'll
you
tell other
normally
people.
have that sticking up this way.
Yeah.
When you're spraying.
Yeah.
So what I mean with that ring there on this side, you see the way I've got it just hand tight now.
Yeah.
So I've got to bring that one.
Yeah.
I just got two orders for you to check.
Yep. Yes.
Just the first two there.